Another video brought to you by Upside Down Yoo-Hoo. Hey, what's up guys? 2022 Santa Cruz. I don't know if any of you have done them yet. Let's take a Alright guys, you saw the struggle on the other side. We're going to show you how we do it for the advanced install for the guys with some cojones. So these seals, like the Kia K5, are so tight that you just fight with them back in here. So what we do, because of many years of body shop experience, is just go ahead and pull this out. My other guy installs like this. So you'll see that you can still get your window all the way up. If you pull the front out, there is a little flap right here that you need to make sure gets over top. So this is how we do our install then. You can get right in there. You don't have to fight with it. Find my sprayer. And we'll go through the typical install. And do the scrubby scrub.
Still get to the bottom.
And down to where your typical install level is. And move. Flush your top edge. Make sure there's no dirt sitting up there. And just like running a bulldozer, keep all the water coming off the bottom of the squeegee. Put a finger wipe on the end. Flush our edges like we always do. Like I say, the Kia K5, Santa Fe, Santa Cruz, I think even the Sorrento. I think mine just died, so it's up to you now. Oh boy. The other corner. Line up your top edge. We're going to show you this one if the pattern isn't quite right. Give you a little filing. Make sure you're over where your light's where you like it. Just get it tacked. Be right back. And we're back with the file. It's a bastard file from Lowe's. So what I do is I start where there's, see here, it's not there. So from what you know is made shaved, and they're like motions like this. Not straight up, not back.
Easy one.
Just double checking it, make sure it's good. And there you go. Get rid of this strap. See what came off. Alright guys, before you put any more squeegees on it, grab a little bit of moisture. Make sure you don't have any shavings. You will scratch the film, see? You will scratch the film if you get any of that in between your blue mats. See, clean. And then we'll give it one more blue. Make sure there's no trapped water. So there you go, proven you don't have to let it dry. You don't have to heat it. None of that, just proper technique. And we'll finish the window like normal. Grab our Wizards wand, Blue Max, fusion handle, whatever your poison may be. A trick I've learned over the years is here where your tool don't fit, flip it over. Look how much further down I can get. The reason I have to do this is because we have this seal out, so the window won't go all the way up. Once we get to where we're comfortable, window all the way back down. Get a little bit of moisture inside and out. If you roll the window up so it's just here, and then find where the window rolls, which would be in this channel. Window rides in there. Put the window in where it goes and just slide it down. Tuck your top corner in. And come to the other side with me. Make sure this flap right here is in place. If it's not laying flat, you're not right. And there you go. Window up. Boom. Outside is all the way back. No light gap, no fighting with it, no dirt. Got it? Peace. All right guys, here we are, back window. Already pulled the seal out all the way around this time. This one's probably going to have a pattern that doesn't fit also. We're going to kind of mess them up just to show you what you do in that situation for you non-hand cutters. One thing to keep in mind is this window moves, so when you're working on them in this condition, make sure you kind of keep that in mind. Rinse our top off. I use my fingernail right there just to kind of hold the glass up to the install position. And we're going to flush the glass like normal. All the edges, making sure to not get on top. Let's get our film. Woo! Another one of these patterns. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a little long on the back edge. One corner, roll up. Other corner, roll up. Let's see how close. I'm gonna roll this down a little bit so you guys can see the edge. It's not bad, not hateful. Let's make this back edge just a little off. So we can have some trouble. Notice just keeping a little finger pressure on the window to keep it from wobbling and shaking and banging. Quick tack, keep it from moving. Yep, we're a little bit off right there. Everything else feels good. So again, out and up. A little off right there and right there. Again, don't touch it with a squeegee until you wipe off any possible shavings. And we'll lock it out. And roll it up carefully. Finish like normal. Flipping the squeegee over, notice how much farther back I can get. And down. And we'll check our edges. Make sure we got all this laid down. No water. Cool. See you on the outside. With our seal all the way around, just a quick mist. Window slightly up here. Again, find the edge that it sits in, just like there. Start it up here. Make sure the window's in it. And just slide it down. Making sure this back flap is on the outside here. Stand back here. Make sure that inner flap, I'll show you on the other side. This is the flap you got to make sure you have right. Like that. Alright, body shop trick. If you get to a spot, it gets stuck, roll your window up. And push down when you roll the window back down. And it'll take that seal down with it. See? Everything's on the right side. Double check, make sure it's all done good. And then we'll roll it up and check. Smooth all the way up. Beautiful. As if we never did it. Beautiful on the inside. And we didn't have to fight with any of that. I like to double check my edges after I put them in. Felt molding, just a little finger out. Set it on that rail. Little outward pressure. Roll it back on top. Finish off with this little piece. Just pushes on. And there you be. Alright, 2022 Santa Cruz. 20% off. %rear.